Today on How To, I will be showing you guys how to remove the battery, the SIM card, and the SD card from the Alcatel GoFlip. With the Alcatel GoFlip being a flip phone, you can still remove the back cover in order to interchange the battery. So you're just going to look for a little slit in the housing, which was right there, and you're going to peel the back cover right off. It might feel like something's gonna happen, but don't worry, just go ahead and peel that cover right off. And there you'll see the section where you can put the SIM card, and this is where you put the SD card. Let me see if I have an SD card so I can show you guys how to actually do this. Hold on one second. There we go. So I'll put the SIM card in there just to kind of show you guys how simple that is. And you just want to place it with the cut. There's a little picture right there that shows you where the cut goes, and it slides right in. And once it's in there, you can go ahead and take the battery, and you want to match the gold prongs with the gold prongs that are located in the phone, and you'll notice them at the bottom there. Now once you have that in there, you just go ahead, place the cover back, and there you go. So make sure you share and subscribe, guys, and thank you for tuning in.